Hi, my friends. Now you can see another selection of the coolest devices from Amazon and AliExpress sites. All the links to items in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell symbol to get everyday updates. Let's go.
Sitting, throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was sold. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful.
Ucuity upgraded sleeping pad makes your adventure more relaxed and comfortable. A good sleep always brings a good mood. Take the pad on any trip.
camera charger, USB spy camera, 1080p HD, motion detection with alarm feature. Ideal nanny cam, spy cam. This hidden camera is an ideal choice for keeping your loved ones protected. Checking up on your elderly or kids. Totally portable. Use and record video from anywhere. This camera is not only functional as a surveillance camera, but it is a USB charger as well. This nanny cam comes with a free app that is easy to install on your smartphone, laptop or tablet, allowing you to view live streaming anytime you need to. With a 2.4G Wi-Fi, and with our easy design, your camera will be ready and fully set up within minutes. This USB spy camera features 1080p HD image with a high-quality lens, providing real-time video of what's happening in your home. The ultra-wide 150-degree viewing angle provides an optimal range and enhanced visibility, avoiding dead angles. The system has motion detection and push notifications, letting you know when there is motion in your home. This multi-purpose camera is totally portable. Take it with you when you travel or on business trips. This security spy cam has two ways of recording your video, manually or automatically. To record automatically, all your videos can be stored on a micro SD card, up to 128 gigs. So stop worrying, get the hidden camera charger.
Sitting, throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting, throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
On the off chance that you need to see my different recordings, make certain to watch, and obviously remember, subscribe to my channel and give me likes and comments. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you soon.